I'm Victoria M. Mazzaro. M is for Martinez, but it's too complicated, so I decided to just put the M. And I am the author of the Saffron series, and the third one that is coming out right now is So Quite Excellent, Saffron So Quite Excellent. And it's basically about this little 9-year-old girl who has turned 10 actually, but I didn't tell anyone. That's called Saffron, and she travels the world with her parents and her 2 little sisters. What I like the most about Saffron is that she's such a know-it-all little girl, and she's just quite hilarious because she does have a big secret, and it's the fact that she doesn't know everything, but she never tells that to anyone. So she gets herself into this whole lot of trouble. I just love drawing her because I love her little clothes. She's got a little quirky style, and that is very fun for me because I'm an ex-fashion designer and I get to draw quite a few little interesting little garments and collections throughout the books. And she's a whole lot of fun. So if you want to have a lovely evening and read a little bit of Saffron to your kids, have a lot of laughter, and introduce them to other places around the world, go to the nearest bookstore and grab a copy of Saffron.